Ever wondered what it takes to reach the pinnacle of creditworthiness? That elusive 850 credit score that seems like a myth, a legend whispered in hushed tones among financial gurus. Can you actually achieve a perfect score, or is it just a marketing ploy by credit reporting agencies? Today, we're diving deep into how you can achieve and maintain a perfect 850 credit score. We'll break down the secrets, the strategies, and the sheer discipline it takes to join this elite club. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the path to an 850, but you'll also know if it's the right move for you. Alright, before we pop the hood on an 850 score, we gotta understand what makes this credit score thing tick. Now, your credit score is like a report card for your finances, and there are 5 key things that determine your grade. Payment history is the big kahuna, accounting for like 35% of your score. That means paying your bills on time every time is non-negotiable. Next up is amounts owed, which makes up 30%. This one's all about how much debt you're carrying compared to your credit limits. Lower is always better here, trust me. Now, getting an 850 score isn't about some quick fix, it's about building rock-solid habits. First up, automate everything. Set up auto pay for all your bills so you never miss a payment deadline. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next, live below your means. The less debt you have, the better your credit utilization, and the happier those credit bureaus will be. I always say, don't buy it unless you can buy it twice. It's a simple rule, but it'll keep you out of trouble. Now let's talk about credit utilization. This is the ratio of how much credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Lower is always better. The golden rule, keep your utilization below 30%. Think of it like this. You've got a credit card with a $10,000 limit. Try to keep your balance below $3,000. This shows lenders you're responsible with credit and not maxing out your cards every month. Look, debt happens, but it's how you manage it that separates the 850 club from the rest. First, prioritize high-interest debt. Those credit card balances, attack them with a vengeance. Consider a debt consolidation loan to simplify payments and potentially lower your interest rates. And remember, every dollar you put towards debt is a dollar building a brighter financial future. Here's the thing about credit history. It loves longevity. The longer you've been responsibly managing credit, the better. Keep those old credit cards open, even if you don't use them much. This shows you've got a long and stable credit history, which lenders love. Think of it like a fine wine, it just gets better with age. Having a diverse credit mix is like diversifying your investment portfolio. It spreads out the risk. Don't just have credit cards. Consider a car loan or a mortgage if it makes sense for your situation. This shows lenders you can handle different types of debt responsibly. But remember, only take on debt if you absolutely need it and can afford the payments. You wouldn't drive a car without checking the gauges, right? The same goes for your credit report. You gotta monitor it regularly for any errors or inaccuracies. Federal law gives you a free credit report from each of the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. That's 3 free reports. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Closing old credit cards can actually hurt your score even if you're not using them. It lowers your available credit and can ding your average credit age. Applying for too much credit in a short period is another no-no. Each application can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your credit. There are tons of resources out there to help you master your credit score. Check out websites like the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or the National Foundation for Credit Counseling for free educational materials and tools. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, is an 850 score even achievable for us regular folks? Absolutely. I've met countless individuals who've cracked the code and achieved credit score nirvana. They'll share their journeys, challenges, and the incredible benefits of having that perfect score. So, you've reached the summit, you've conquered the credit score mountain, and you're standing tall with an 850. What does it all mean? Well, for starters, you'll unlock the best interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even insurance. We're talking about saving potentially tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. An 850 score can even open doors to better job opportunities and apartment rentals, as it shows you're responsible and trustworthy. So there you have it, the roadmap to an 850 credit score. It's not about luck or magic, it's about consistency, discipline, and making smart financial choices. Start applying these strategies today, and watch your credit score climb towards that perfect 850. Remember, your credit score is a reflection of your financial habits. By adopting the principles we've discussed, you're not just aiming for a number, you're building a foundation for a brighter financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own credit score experiences.